the biggest reason for using on a quantitative approach, particularly for the underpinnings of your portfolio, is that it really tries to take some of the emotion out of the markets and really can, we think, deal with some of the volatility that the market certainly has been experiencing as of late. So the volatility we're having to deal with right now comes from multiple dimensions. One is ultra-low interest rates that we have. Uncertain central bank policy around the world, I think, is contributing, and a lot of regulation that has come in too. So our approach to quantitative investing is basically theory-based, but with a twist. I would say that it basically is what we'd call mean variance type of statistical approach to seeing how assets correlate to each other, how they move, and then making sure that our portfolios are broadly diversified across asset classes. And the best way to do that, rather than using intuition, is looking at statistics to make those determinations as to how returns vary across asset classes. So to us, that's really what quantitative investing is all about. We've been successful the last 2 years with winning this award, or winning awards from Lipper, and I think the thing that maybe we've done somewhat differently is recognizing that we're in somewhat of a different environment in a number of dimensions, and using our methods, particularly quantitative methods, to keep us in the game, but also spending a lot of time on understanding some of the bets that we're making and how they interact with other parts of the portfolio. So I think those are the key elements. I think the next 12 months, we think will be somewhat the same. Continued volatility. We have some concern that equity levels are somewhat elevated right now. We believe that interest rates probably stay low with an upward bias that will have some uncertainty in the markets. So I think going forward, probably more of the same as we've seen for the last 6 months. I think what inspires Thrivent is we really do try to, what we call, try to be wise with money so that our members can live generously. As a faith-based organization, we do strongly have that as our principles, and we still try to do as well as we can with investment portfolios, but at the same time, there's a means for that, to that end, and that is hopefully for our members and our shareholders to be able to live comfortably, but then also to give generously as well.